Thomas Kurian, Chief Executive Officer of Google Cloud. I'm delighted to be speaking to all of you at this NASSCOM Conclave. We at Google are bringing Google's technology and software through our cloud organization to software companies and enterprises in many different parts of the world. And it's a pleasure to speak with all of you to explain what we see as transforming the industry and how Google and our cloud organization is bringing our technology capabilities to companies to enable that transformation. We see that the drivers accelerating cloud adoption continue to evolve. The most important drivers that we see in the market today is the rapid digitization of industries, both prior to, but much more importantly, accelerated by the COVID pandemic. It's requiring new technology to help organizations build new digital business models and to deliver services to customers. At the same time, we're also seeing pressure on IT budgets, new technologies like 5G, telemedicine, e-commerce transforming industries and requiring new capabilities to use those technology disruptions. Organizations increasingly needing to support new work from home paradigms and also new requirements from policymakers in different parts of the world. Our mission at Google is to help organizations transform their business digitally using our infrastructure, our platform, and our industry solutions and expertise to deliver new services to customers and to expand their business in light of these technology trends and business trends that we see. We start with our global distributed infrastructure. We provide highly scalable compute storage network, world-class security, and management tools to allow people to both build cloud-native applications as well as migrate existing enterprise workloads. We offer that in 4 different configurations. In our public cloud, on top of other public clouds, we call that multi-cloud, in a company's own data center, private cloud, and integrated into telecommunications networks as edge computing solutions to deliver very low latency, high performance requirements. We're offering this in many different parts of the world, and we continue to expand our global footprint. And we are in India and offering services through our global cloud region in India, which we're also going to bring a second region to India in this calendar year 21. We offer very advanced capabilities for compute, storage, and networking, whether that's high performance compute, new forms of storage that give you better performance, as well as better scan rates for large-scale applications, and then world-class networking, given the enormous backbone that Google offers to provide very, very high performance, high quality, and reliable services to companies in different parts of the world. We're investing actively also in evolving both container-based as well as virtual machine technologies to make it great to host software as a service and existing applications. The infrastructure can be used to migrate existing workloads as well as to build new cloud-native workloads side by side. We offer, for example, the ability to rehost, re-platform, and refactor workloads through a variety of tools as well as best practices that Google engineering has built that we are now making available through our software and training programs to engineers around the world. These are the practices that we use to build global scale services, whether that's Gmail or Google Search or Google's ad platform. Those same best practices in engineering and operations are incorporated in the tools and technology that's part of Google Cloud. We recognize that as you move workload to the cloud, you're probably anxious about security, and we provide world-class technology to protect your data using our confidential compute capability that allows you to encrypt data not just in transit, not just when it's stored in Google Cloud, but also when it's being processed. So encryption all the time. We have a variety of tools to detect threats to your systems and applications running in the cloud and to secure and protect them from the threats. And we also provide tools to protect enterprise applications, consumer online services being built in our cloud using services like reCAPTCHA, DDoS, application firewalls, and a variety of other security and cybersecurity tools. Now, on this global infrastructure, we provide a variety of tools for large-scale data management and analytics. You can run your enterprise applications and get fully managed database services in our cloud. You can also run data lakes, data warehouses, streaming calculations in our cloud, and provide data-driven applications that access not just data in our cloud, but also in other clouds. So you get one point in which you can manage your data, you can do analysis, you can use our machine learning tools, and you can build data-driven applications. There are three important capabilities that organizations see and that we're seeing enormous growth with. First, database as a service. People use us to run a variety of different kinds of databases, both relational and popular non-relational sources. We also have a world-class data warehouse called BigQuery that allows you to run and do calculations of very fast and enormous scale and access data not just in Google's cloud, but also in other clouds. And finally, we provide a set of solutions that allow you to do analytics, business intelligence, and data-driven applications based on our Looker technology that allows you to use that as a facility to access data and analyze it across multiple clouds. So we provide world-class tools to run your analytic processing, your machine learning, and your data warehouses and databases in Google Cloud. The next area that we're investing heavily in is Google Workspace. We recognize that organizations increasingly now need to support a hybrid work environment, whether that's a globally distributed workforce or in different parts of India, or secondly, a combination of people working at the office and at home. We provide a unified platform that lets you run communication and collaboration on a single platform that allows you to, for example, communicate with people using mail, messaging, audio and video meetings, and a calendar, and to create things using our documents, slides, and store that in a drive that lets you access it from wherever you are using just a browser or a mobile device. We have multiple billion user products in Google Workspace, several products over 1 billion users, and we have huge numbers of people using us to transform the way in which they work together within their company and also with other companies and with customers. We are also investing in taking our solutions with artificial intelligence to modernize using our expertise in artificial intelligence and our expertise in retail and healthcare and life sciences, financial services, communications, manufacturing, and in public sector or governments by bringing artificial intelligence powered transformation services and solutions to different industries. We work with software as a service companies in a number of these industries as well, and we would be open to talking to a number of you about opportunities to work together. Examples in retail, we run many of the largest e-commerce systems in the world. And behind that e-commerce, we see transformation, whether that's to allow people to find products more easily using retail search, to improve the way that people do demand forecasting and recommendations, or optimize inventory in their supply chain. We're helping financial institutions streamlining their loan and mortgage processes, improving analytics for financial institutions, and also improving the way they do fraud, anti-money laundering, and know your customer processes. So we're taking our expertise in machine learning and AI and applying it to different domains by bringing solutions to those domains. And in that environment, we're working with partners, a broad network of partners in each industry. And we'd be open to doing that with those of you in India who'd like to partner with us. All of this is delivered to our customers and partners through a large global cloud go-to-market organization. We have specialist sales and customer experience engineers, mission-critical support that guarantees very quick response to issues, a global reseller network, strong relationships with system integrators in many parts of the world and especially in India, as well as a broad ecosystem of developers and a strong certification program. If you're an independent software vendor, you can also work with us to get your software solution hosted in the Google Cloud Marketplace, which allows our customers much greater ease in finding your application and using it on Google Cloud. Because of the investments we've made in both products and in go-to-market, we've seen great success with many companies, leading brands around the world in every different parts of the world, and also in India, where we've seen enormous growth with our business in India. We're seeing really great adoption by both technology companies, startups, as well as new players entering the market, along with some of the largest leading traditional companies in the Indian market. Here are some examples of customers that we're doing work with, just to highlight the kinds of things we do and to give you an example of what we've been able to accomplish with them. So for example, in the consumer space, Swiggy is obviously a food delivery app that all of you in India know. We've helped them improve their orders by 3.5 times and a 20%, nearly 20% increase in the order value by helping them improve their digital marketing efforts using our analytics capability in Google Cloud, along with their ability to process orders better. We're also helping them improve how they target customers and market online. And we've helped them improve their business using our Google Cloud analytic technology. A second example is Hike. We've helped them improve analytic query processing by more than 20 times and also speed up their computational throughput and help them use some of our machine learning capabilities to improve their business. And it's a great innovation partnership that we enjoy with the engineering teams and with the executives at Hike. A third example is Aether. We've helped a small engineering team build a very unique IoT mobility system and help them speed up the way that they can do software updates to that platform, as well as deliver data insights on the platform. And then finally, ShareChat. Obviously, it's a platform that's seen extraordinary growth. We're very grateful for the partnership we have with them that provides them the infrastructure to deliver their application to all of the people in India and to get the resiliency, the scalability, and the security of our cloud so that they can focus on delivering great experiences for all of their users. We at Google are investing aggressively in India. We brought in large-scale investment with 2 cloud regions now coming into play in the country, large commitment to the ecosystem in the country, and we are very committed also in broadening our engineering organization in India with expansion of our engineering organization and teams in India. You will see that commitment expanding over multiple years because we see the potential to serve the fast-growing technology community in India and all of the great startups and software companies that are being formed in India, as well as the billions of users in India. And you will see us work actively in partnership with NASSCOM and with all the members of NASSCOM to bring our technology to you. So thank you for the opportunity to work with so many of you already. And we look forward to expanding our presence in India in collaboration with a number of you. We wish you a good 2021, and we're looking forward to expanding our work with you in the country. Thank you.